Well, friends, we talked about Karun Rasa. Now we shall go ahead with the next Rasa, that is Hashya Rasa. Now, you know, Hashya is the ras used to express joy or mirth. The basic feeling is joy or happiness. Mirth means happiness. So pure Hashya is real happiness. Happiness is the kind of joy that comes from your heart. It comes from within. So that is quite natural. It should come from your heart. And Hashyarasa is used to depict simple happiness. Or it can be a righteous laughter. Or it can be in between. Simple happiness to laughter, or in between as well. There are different kind of Hashyas. When you understand the meaning of the term Hashya, the meaning is laughter. Okay, and it is the comic element. Laughter, when you laugh, when do you laugh? We laugh, when something mirthful, something happens, so it happens by showing unseemly dress, ornaments, quarrels, defective limbs, etc. Means the dressing style, for example, a joker, the way the joker dresses, or a person does not dress in the usual manner, or gaudy makeup makes you laugh, unsuitable dressing style may make you laugh, and some other certain factors. Even quarrels sometimes may make you laugh, or sometimes defective limbs, a person with deformed face, or some defect in body parts may also make you laugh. So these are the things. And the Hashya Rasa is born from the Sthayi Bhava. The Sthayi Bhava is Hashya itself. So in acting, in the art of acting, Hashya has a very prominent position. And its color is white. It is attributed to Pratamas, who are said to be attendants of Lord Shiva. Must have seen certain serials of Lord Shiva movies. You come across Gana. So Pratamas, who are said to be the attendants, Ganas, we can say. They are the attendants of Lord Shiva. If you have seen them, Nandi and his the people around him. So they are Ganas. When you look at their behavior, you feel like laughing. And Bharat Muni states that Hashya is a rasa caused by the reversal of decoration, change conduct, speech, dress, change or odd conduct of the limbs. Now, when you see certain laughter shows, such as Kapil Sharma show or Chala Hawa Udaya in Marathi, so you see the way the characters, the actors present themselves, you can say. They behave against the regular routine behavior. Means it can happen because of the funny decoration. Conduct means behavior, the style of speaking, the dialogues, etc. may make you laugh. Okay, and it helps. You must have heard of laughter clubs. Many people come together and they laugh in a group, thinking that laughter helps you to get relief from tension and worries. We see comedy movies. So Hashya is broadly classified into two types. The first one is Atmastha. Atmastha means the self-laughter, where one is laughing oneself. And the other type of Hashya is Parastha, means making others laugh. Atmastha means self-laughter. One is laughing oneself, whereas parasta is making others laugh by telling jokes, by behaving in a different manner. And there are three categories of parasta. One is uttam, the other is madhya, and the lower, inferior is what we call adham. Adham means inferior or mean. So superior or noble, Hashya can be superior or noble as well. That can also make you laugh. Now, when you see typical Amitabh Bachchan movies, if you have seen Namak Halal, the song, the Paga Gunguru, so we will come across this superior or noble laughter. Then there can be Madhya, middle or average. Certain comic characters, the actors, make you laugh. And there can be Adhama. Means, for example, if you've seen Johnny Walker, Johnny Walker, Johnny Lever, then Kesto Mukherjee, and recently, what is that Bihari person? His name is, I think, Raj. Do you remember the name of the Bihari actor, who is a short actor? Rajpal Yadav, okay? And if you refer to the Marathi actors, Bhau Kadam, etc., so they go for this kind of, by behaving in a weird manner, strange manner, they make us laugh. But there can be high quality Hashya rasa as well. And there can be Madhya. Generally in Hindi movies, you come across Madhya, middle or average, wherein they don't make what you call a very inferior, they don't behave in inferior manner. If you, I can give the example of Ashok Saraf. His typical way of making the audience laugh can be an example of Madhya. He doesn't go below that. His style of speaking and the way he taunts others. If you have seen Dhoom Dhadaka, so you will experience this. On the other hand, if you miss, I can give the examples of Lakshmikant Berde and Ashok Saraf in that movie. The way Ashok Saraf behaves can be treated as Madhya, and the way Lakshmikant Berde, all the time, he's after movie, cinema, and he behaves in a weird manner. So that is an example of Adhama, we can see. So this is how we can understand Hashya Rasa.